Hello, welcome to I Speak Vietnamese. In Vietnamese, tone marks are very important as they help differentiate the meanings of words. We have 6 distinctive tones. Sắc, sharp, huyền, deep, hỏi, asking, ngã, tumbling, nặng, heavy, and no tone. The tone sắc or the tone sharp indicates a rising tone pronounced with a higher pitch. For example, cá, fish, có, have, sống, live, mới, new, túi, bag. The tone huyền or the tone deep indicates a falling tone pronounced with a lower pitch. For example, bà, grandma, bò, cow, mồm, mouth, chờ, wait. The tone hỏi or the tone asking indicates a questioning tone with a slight rise and then a fall. For example, chả, bún chả, grilled pork noodle. Hỏi, ask, cổ, neck, mở, open. The tone ngã or the tone tumbling indicates a quickly rising tone pronounced with a glottal stop. For example, ông, xã, husband, chỗ, ngồi, sit, cỡ, size, cũ, old. The tone nặng or the tone heavy indicates a heavy, low tone pronounced with a firm end. For example, mặt, face, nặng, heavy, học, learned or study, hâm mộ, admired, chợ, market. The tone ngang or no tone indicates a mid-level tone pronounced evenly without a rise or fall. For example, tay, hand, bay, fly, ông, grandpa, sông, river, cơm, rice, đi, go, beer, beer, mua, buy, cua, grab. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on Vietnamese tone marks. Understanding these tones is essential for mastering the language and improving your communication skills. If you have any questions or topics you would like to learn about next, feel free to leave a comment. I Speak Vietnamese believes in making education free, fun, and accessible to everyone. See you in the next lesson and happy learning!